Hi guys and welcome back to my colour series. This week's colour is orange, and if you want to see how I did these three looks, then just continue watching. Look 1. So I start with the pink in the crease before I start blending it out with the orange, and then blend that out with the yellow. And then that's just the basic look, and you just keep going back and forth with it just to get the blend you would like. I noticed that every time I put the orange down, it's very pigmented, which is not usually a problem, but when you're doing a smoky blended out eye, it means you'll be blending forever. So I just go back and forth with the orange and yellow. Before I add the pink onto my lid. I haven't used this palette in a while, so I wasn't sure about the pigment, but yes, Juvia's Place, even with all the controversy, still that bitch. And the yellow is a lot better than I remember it being. I then go into the teal, which is the colour just beneath the pink, and put it in my lower lash line. It's just so easy with this palette to get the colour payoff. And then I use the pink as blush for setting my face, and then I just do a brown lip liner with Soph X Makeup Revolution Cake in the middle. Just blend it out before I highlight with the rose gold colour that is just beneath the teal in the palette. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Don't mind my croaky voice. But that is look 1 complete. Look 2. So I start by applying the purple in the outer corners of my eye before I just cut the crease roughly in the middle, and I soften out the edges using my fingers. That's key to have a blended smooth look. Then I add the star of the show, the orange, before I add the yellow to the middle of my eye. I then go back into the orange and then the purple, and I just keep going back and forth with all three colours until I like the blend. I will not lie to you guys, this one took a very long time. I'm not sure if it's just me being fussy or it just took long to blend. But these shadows do blend really well together. It's just, you know, meeting your own preference with it. Like watching it back, there's so many times where I could have just stopped and it was fine, but then me fiddling made me have to blend it more. So just be mindful of that if you want to recreate this look. It is very pretty. Well, the delivery guy said it was pretty when I went to the door, so I'll take that. Okay, on the bottom lash line, I'm just going to add the purple. I was going to do something extra, but after all this blending, I'm over it. And then I just blend the purple into the lower lash line just to make it look a bit more seamless, just before I top off the yellow a bit more. And that's look 2 complete, I think. Okay, last but not least, look 3. So I start with brown in the crease area, and then I blend it out with the yellow. Before I go back into the brown, just to deepen it back up again and softly blend it out. And then I'm just going over it with the brown to sharpen it a bit before I go onto the lid with the yellow, making sure I leave an empty space before I pop the orange on and tap the yellow on top just to blend it out. I then go into the brown, and then as I said, to blend them out, I just tap each colour onto each other to make them look seamless. And then go back into the brown just to deepen it up a bit more, blending it out with the yellow. And then I go into the bottom lash line with the brown, and that is the completed look. For all the looks, I use the Demure lashes in Marina, and on my lip I have the Patricia X MAC lipstick. So I hope you enjoyed the 3 different looks. Please let me know down below which one is your favourite. I think my favourite is the first one, giving me tropical paradise, flamingo, you know, that sort of vibe. Feeling it, yeah, really feeling it. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and come back next week to see which colour I will be doing. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!